Saul. Straight ahead, Kiva. Wow! Cool! Keep a lookout for that cheeky monkey, Angus. And I've got a good grip on the map, just in case. Good thinking, Saul. What is it, Angus? Was it the cheeky monkey, Angus? Yikes! That definitely sounds like a cheeky monkey. It's playing games with us. Ooh. Don't worry, Saul. But I have an idea. Why are we stopping, Kiva? Aren't we making it easier for that map-stealing monkey? Those will do. It's okay, Saul. I've got what I needed. Thank you. What was that? It's the cheeky monkey. Oh, the map! Oh no! What will we do now? We can't finish the rally without that map. Very clever, cheeky monkey. How about you give us our map back in exchange for a bunch of yummy bananas? Got it! Thank you. Great idea, Kiva. We've got the map, so we're back in the race. What way, Saul? Straight ahead. Cool. Wow. It looks the same in all directions. That's what the map's for. Great. Where to next, Saul? To the rock that looks like a lion's head. Look over there. I see it. Roar! Next, to the lonely pantry. Over there. Got it. Okay, let me check where to next. Aha! To the 4-branched cactus. Got it! Uh-oh! Raleigh Deanne's overheated. Mechanic Angus, can you take a look? Angus, any idea what's causing Raleigh Deanne to overheat? Huh? A banana in the exhaust pipe? That's why Deanne's got hot. How did that get there? Uh-oh. It's the cheeky monkey. He's after the map again.